In this video, we will see how to add a countdown widget on iPhone. The first and the most important pass. You go to search this in Google. And next you have 1, 2, 3, 4 steps or 4 methods for this process. Step 1. Get a countdown app in the App Store. 1. Open the App Store and search for Countdown. 2. Download a well-rated app like Pretty Progress, Widget Club, or another similar choice. Step 2. Create your countdown in the app. 1. Open the new countdown app to download. 2. Tap the Add or Plus button to create a new event. 3. Name the event and set the target date or time. 4. Customize the look, color, emoji, etc. and save it. Step 3. Add to home screen. 1. Long press any empty area on your home screen until apps jiggle. 2. Tap the plus add widget icon in the top left corner. 3. Search for your countdown app, for example Progress, and select. 4. Choose your widget size and tap Add Widget. 5. Long press the new widget, select Edit Widget, and choose the specific countdown event you create. Step 4. Add to look screen. Optional. 1. Look your iPhone and tap the screen. 2. Tap and hold the look screen to enter customization mode. Then tap Customize. 3. Tap the Add Widgets area below the globe. 4. Find and select your countdown app. 5. Tap Done to save your change. And that's all. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.